2010 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, passenger airbag, MP3 player, power windows, power door locks, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.